Hi, I'm Kimballe Robyzen, and I'm here at home on an afternoon of a Sunday with my family, and one of our family traditions around here is an afternoon chai. And today I'm going to show you how we make it. So it's a bit of an evolved recipe. I would consider it a bit of an heirloom recipe these days, but it starts with homemade almond milk, which we make ourselves, and you wouldn't believe how easy it is to make this stuff. So much cleaner and more pure, of course, than the bought carton variety. Maybe I'll show you how to make that on another video. But for today, it's ready to go. And I just simply measure out half of the serves we're going to make today, and that's going to be 4 people. So we just simply poach the chai ingredients in loose form in the saucepan on the stove. So we get our milk there. So I use a combination of loosely like a black tea chai, a classic one. So I'll put half a teaspoon each, but just one more for the pot. And that's a lovely clean one with lots of different chai ingredients. And then I do a roasted dandelion version together. Dandelion's a wonderful little herb, and all of the spices that are in chai are fantastic for digestion and stimulating the liver. So for 4 people, that's about 2 of those. It's quite a strong flavour, the dandelion. So putting those together creates a nice full flavour. That's ready to go. I would put the honey in there. Not so much necessary, you only need a little bit to enhance the flavour. Probably about a generous half a teaspoon per person. So if I do, that's 3 in a bit. Don't need to be too heavy-handed. That then is ready to go. I'll take that to the stove and I'll show you the next part in a minute. So here we are at the stove. Just need to give it a gentle stir as you would any other blends. I put it on high. There's no need to do this for any length of time in our busy days. So just a brief stir and bring it to the boil basically. Once I do that, I'll drop it right down to simmer and let it brew for a couple of minutes as I steam the milk of stage 2. So we'll just let that come up and then I'll show you stage 3 in a minute. Stage 3. Depending if you're going to stay with almond milk or your chosen milk, there's many options available now when it comes to nut milks, cashew milk. You can do it with sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. I haven't experimented with a lot of those just yet, but I will. But for now, almond milk, and then for those that like a bit of organic cow's milk, goat's milk, all of those are great, of course. So this is a new addition to our chai recipe here, to steam half the milk. It just adds that extra, cafe effect, which we seem to like around here. Always clean your nozzle straight away, otherwise it bakes on the nozzle. Alright, that's stage 3. Now we're ready to assemble. So, stage 4, the final stage. A teaspoon of slippery elm at the bottom of each cup. Slippery elm is just the powdered bark of the slippery elm tree, and in our naturopathic pantry of therapies, we use slippery elm quite a lot for digestive disturbance, dysbiosis, candida, a lot of those dysfunctional digestive symptoms, either irritable bowel syndrome, all of those. Slippery elm tends to be a very non-allergenic and neutral extra ingredient to add in, particularly after meals, and it's very soothing and gut healing. So it's quite a nice thing to add into your daily routine. So that's the poached mix of chai. strain that. Just like that. And then I would add just say 1/4 of a cup, say half of this mixture for each. I tend to treat Cyprion because it's a very fine mix, a bit like corn flour. So you want to get a bit of liquid in there and then give it a good thorough stir so that you get any lumps out. There's different qualities of Cyprion around. You'll find some are more lumpy than others. So just because you find that this recipe produces a bit of a lumpy mix for you at home, don't give up. Try another brand of Cyprion. It's surprising how they can vary. So, mixed, ready to go. Then we finish the rest of the chai mix. So it ends up there about half. Another quick stir. Then I'll show you one of these in the clear glass. I like these ones, you can see the colours and what you're drinking there. So just a top up of the milk, and then in full chai tradition, you would top that with cinnamon and nutmeg. And there you have it. Chai, Robyzen style. Enjoy.